Would you rather fart loud every time you laugh or sneeze every time you talk? Laugh at a joke, boom. You just became the whoopee cushion of the friend group. Try explaining that during someone's vows. Sneeze every time you talk. Enjoy ruining conversations and social distancing forever. You're not giving a speech, you're starting a storm. Fart when you laugh or sneeze when you talk. Either way, you're unforgettable. Just not in a good way. If you laughed, felt pain, or cried internally, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button like you just stepped on a Lego. Got your own why it sucks story? Drop it in the comments. Do the things. Be the legend.